Nakikita ko, Cyclone Joga! Siguro. Sige, okay na, akala nyo, wala na akala. Anyway, our next question is, if you have played the story of Fontaine, if you have completed the story of Fontaine, how many years?
May lumalapit. Sige. How many years?
Wait lang. Wala mo nang lalapit sa ano. Guys, baka kung ano mangyari sa inyo. How many years did focal... Wait.
Mali.
Sorry na.
Ulit.
Kulang ako ng kape. Pwede pang pahingin kape.
Ulit.
How many years did Farina had to pretend that she was Focalors? Wait lang. In 3, 2, 1, go! Bala kayo dyan.
Sige.
Nauna si Kuya ng harap.
Dito. Dalawa dito. Sige na. So, magdadaan showdown kayo ngayon.
Yes!
Para malaman kung sino yung sasagot. Okay?
Di ba napakadali?
Napakadali lang naman. Isang chorus lang naman ng
At
pantropiko.
saka alam mo yung pinakamatindi.
Pantropiko, alam mo? Pantropiko. You don't know it.
Alam mo yung pinakamatindi? I teach in Lyceum of Philippines University. Studies in Liceo de Cagayan. Technically 2 Lyceums. So, I think this is fate.
May pasok ka ba?
Ha?
May pasok ka today?
Patay.
Do you have like school today? Finished it. Okay.
That's
early. Okay, man. All right. Okay, so how are we gonna deal with this?
So first and foremost,
What's your name first?
laya ka na ba? Tinatanong ko na.
What's your name?
Kewa.
Keima.
Keima.
Okay, Keima. All right. So Keima, ano ang pwede mong sabihin sa amin that will make you, okay, be the one to answer the question? Anong meron ka na wala siya?
Alo! Uy!
I-riz mo si Kuya Earl mo.
Uy!
Okay, wait lang.
Tayo, diba? Tama naman, diba? Dito natin daanin.
Ito lang. Riz. Wala pang Riz. Isipin mo, nasa harapan mo si Crush. Hindi ako. Nasa harapan mo, imaginary.
Crush.
Sabihin na lang natin na aalis na si Crush mo. Or pupunta ka na sa kabilang ibayo. You will be going to Fontaine. She's staying in Sumeru. So what are you gonna do about it? It's your last chance. Diba? So what are you gonna do?
Kumbaga, isipin ko na lang, you're about to, you know, like say your last words to your crush.
Sige, sample lang ko.
Oh, sige, ako yung crush mo.
Hindi ikaw, tingilan mo ko, kalbo ka rin eh.
Okay. Sige.
Love you ako din eh.
Love you too. Madalihan ko na.
Okay.
Kalbo!
Wala ba tayong makapagpagdamdaman na tungkol dyan?
Dear Ate Chat. Dalihan mo na! Ang tagal!
Sorry, nag-feedback ha. Aalis na kasi ako bukas eh. So, I don't know how long will it take me to go back here. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na you've always been on my mind.
Prince!
And
Oh no! Prince! Prince!
sana pagbalik ko,
Prince!
ready ka pa rin para sa akin. Maloy, I love you. Ganon, kunwari. Kunwari lang ganon. Wala lang, guys.
I love you too!
I love you mo!
Hindi si Malo yun.
Anyway.
Okay, so, ready ka na. Ganon.
Ganun lang.
Tignan mo.
Ganun lang yung mechanics.
Straight.
Okay. Imagine mo na lang, nandiyan yung crush mo. Ano pangalan ng crush mo?
Hindi, huwag mo natin
Huwag natin. No, sige, baka magkabulgaran pa rito. Anyway. Pare. I'm gonna give you the mic. Tanggalin mo na natin yung ano natin. Ipokay na.
Oo, ikaw ang bahala kung paano ako magre-rinse. Pero kung ako magre-rinse ka na nasa Metro Manila, specifically sa BGC.
Diyos ko naman. Give the man a chance, man.
Sige nga. Hey yo, Shy, what's up?
Hey, okay. You've had your chance, okay. Thank you for participating.
Go.
Okay, here's the mic. Take off your face mask. Kaya muna. Okay, let's go.
Palag to, palag.
Palag na to ha. Okay, eto na. Oh, hold
Hima!
the mic.
Handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba? In 3, 2, 1, take it away.
Aalis ka lang aalis ka na bukas eh. Sana, tandaan mo kahit hindi man nakita ko kita niyo dito sa printing natin. Kahit magkita tayo sa
Sorry, Bigo.
Sa Celestia na lang daw tayo makita, pare. Ang lupit mo, bigat!
Pero lang.
Hindi ko po naiintindihan. Pwede ba ka-repeat?
Ay, pakirepeat daw.
Pero,
We're running out of time.
before anything else, Hima, maraming
Salamat.
Dito
Pero
ka
may nag-react eh. May nag-react sa audience eh.
Sino
May nag-react sa
nag-react?
audience eh. May nag-react sa audience eh.
May nag-react ba?
It was delivered in Bisaya eh.
Okay, pero teka, wait
Okay,
lang. I
okay.
think my boy right there
My boy right here.
has got some Rizzling to do.
Yeah, do you know?
Huwag mo na alis.
Ikaw naman eh, sino ka lang? Do you know how to riz? Not really, but can you try?
Can you try?
Maybe, okay.
It's
Okay.
like...
What's your name? My guy, what's your name? Oreo.
Oreo. Okay, so Oreo, I'm gonna give you a premise on what you're gonna do. So it's like you're trying to defend your thesis, and the thesis is all about
No,
why she has to pick you
Oh,
as
okay,
her
okay.
boyfriend. Kind of like that. Can you do it? Try it. Come on. We got
Come on, you have to try, man.
Got you. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So it's kind of like you're defending your research that shows that you're the perfect boyfriend for your crush. Kind of like that. Can you do it?
Like, what makes you the perfect guy for your
Perfect
crush?
guy for your crush. Okay.
Yeah. Kasi naman tinitisis mo pa eh. Okay. So, just like describe your personality, why should that girl pick you over this guy right here?
Why you should pick me? Because I worked hard for learning the game. The game between the love of between both of us.
Help!
And you're the perfect woman in my life.
Ba't pa siya yung nakausap?
Okay. So anyway, it's got a point.
Okay, got a point. Okay,
Pero I
ganito yung gagawin natin. They're both gonna yell the answer after we count to 3, okay? So let's see who got it right.
Ready? Are you ready, Oreo? So you just gotta yell the answers. Like, sobrang linaw lang. Okay? In 3, 2, 1.
500 years.
500 years is correct, and ganun lang kasimple. That's how simple it is to win something. And what are you gonna... You gotta win something like this. Shee! Okay. Yung mic mo daw.
Akala ko nga, iuwi mo din eh. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Thank you. Ayan. Shout out kay Oreo and Kema. And again, guys, we are out of time at the moment, but stay tuned. We're gonna be back later.
Hold up. Wait a minute. We're gonna be back later. Mali. Sige na. Go. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please stick around. Our official program will start very, very soon. We'll be back later. Siyempre, papasa na natin sa nating napakaganda ng influencer ba?
From TikTok.
From TikTok. TikTok. Iba yung TikTok mo
Ay,
eh.
ba ba yan? Okay.
Parang TikTok. Anyway, we'll be back, ladies and gentlemen. You've been good. Shoutout sa'yo, Primo Gem. Sana makapult sila ng maayos.
And guys, ayaw.
Alright, thank you so much, our dear host from Razor Gold, of course, our co-presenter for this big event here at Cagayan de Oro. Ayan, again, kamusta po mga taga CDO? I wanna feel your energy, guys. Ayan, kamusta? Oh, I love it. Okay ba kayo dyan? Yes, alright. Ayan. Siguro mas mamaya, mas marinig ko yung mga malakas sa sigawan nyo dyan. Ayan. Sino ba yung mga gusto nyong makita for today? Ingat, sino mga pinakasikat na cosplayers na ina-expect yung makita today? Ayan. Mamaya po. Yes, this morning you will see, Chares and Guru. Okay. So guys, ayan, magkakaroon muna tayo ng mga palaro. So I'm inviting you guys to please occupy po yung mga seats natin sa harap para dire-diretso yung activities natin at saka yung mga kasayahan natin here, guys. Okay? So again, to all our visitors, ayan, guests, cosplayers, please do occupy, guys. Upo na po kayo, guys, dito sa harap ng stage. Okay? Para tuloy-tuloy pa ating palaro. Okay, guys. So for this morning, guys, of course, ayan, makakasama natin ang Converge. So for this segment, guys, I'd like to call on the Senior Marketing for Gaming, Sir Poy Abanilla.
Go calendar 5K. Power.
Meron akong wais na offer para sa inyo. Kung ang hanap nyo ay internet para sa pamilya, ito na ang gamitin nyo. Panahon na para mag-Vida Fiber. Lahat ng gagawin, kayang-kaya sa presyo maabot kaya. Bida sa mobile gaming. Bida sa streaming. Bida sa live selling. Bida sa trabaho. Bida Fiber, 888 lang per month. Discarding Bida, panalo sa pamilya.
Yawa, magilong ba? Yawa agit kay ni. Lagi. Diba ba? Ano sa? Yawa sukuan yung 5. Plus, 2 ka bo plus 5. So plus 10. Ay, kadua ka nag-go?
Alright, again, please welcome our Senior Marketing for Gaming, Sir Poy Abanilla. Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning! Hi everyone! So my name is Poy. Hi, so nandito lang ako actually to give out prizes for those who will participate in our mini game. So take note, it's very early but you could win Asus Gaming Mouse. So ito yung possible na maiuwi nyo by this morning. We will also be giving Steam cards. So, yun. Alright, sige, let's start. We're just gonna present a very quick product presentation. Tsaka magpapa-games kami.
Bili minus na semen na mar.
Alright.
150 na. Yawa 6 kadula, 50 yawa. Minus 150.
And then, alright, may we request people, if you want to enter, if you want to win Asus Gaming Mouse, ayan, please occupy the seats right in front of you. We're just gonna give out very, very simple questions. And we're gonna provide an avenue in Viber community where you get to answer. So we're gonna project a QR code later. Doon kayo magbibigay ng answers nyo sa Viber community. So for those carrying heavy props, cosplay, so yun, you can just sit down and still participate sa games ni Converge. So you don't need to run anymore. Everywhere, kung nandun kayo sa sulok, you can still participate and win Steam cards and gaming mouse by Converge. So this is just day one. We will still be having more prizes tomorrow. And if you go to our booth at Converge, register kayo. We have raffle prizes as well. All right, let's just wait for the quick. All right, so yon, everyone on the screen, you can see a QR code right here. If you want to enter sa game natin, you just need to scan. You will be directed to Converge na Viber community. It's called Game Changers. So if you know the answer, pauna-una to you can use your internet, you can use your data, you can use any resource you have. So just try to scan this, you'll be directed to our community. Game Changer is the name of the community. So kung sino yung pinakamauna nag-answer, it will be monitored by CJ, my partner from Converge here, who will assist me in determining the winner. Yun, pauna-una lang to. So we will be giving out Steam cards and Asus Gaming Mouse. Ayun, get ready. So yun, another minute for others who want to participate. Scan the QR code right here. And you get the chance to win gaming mouse and Steam cards by Converge. Alright, let's just give another 30 seconds. Ayan, kung sino gusto sumali, the QR code is in the LED right here. You don't need to run, you just sit down, yun. Pabilisan lang to ng internet. If you know the answer, yun, just drop your answer, baka ikaw nanalo ng gaming mouse and Steam cards. Alright, another 15 seconds. Hindi siya nag-work. Alright, try. Okay. Kaya dyan, sir. Alright, I think we will be starting first one up muna. Our prize is... Alright, meron tayong prize team cards worth 300 pesos. Ayan na start. First question is...